I would say that that's exactly what the world needs now, is for all of us, every single human on planet Earth, to wake up to our truest nature and learn how to live in a way that maximizes the beauty, the well-being, the genius that each one of us is, and minimizes all of the kind of selfing narratives that generate fear and anger and animosity and projections onto other people that they're in our way, or that they don't understand us, or that they are intrinsically bad or evil or other